Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on Contact Sync in the Dropbox mobile app. If you want to make it easier to share files with people you know, syncing your contacts is a useful feature. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Next, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Then, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings gear icon. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find an option labeled Sync Contacts. Finally, tap the toggle next to Sync Contacts to turn it on. Then click on Allow to give Dropbox permission to access your contacts. This permission is necessary for the sync feature to work properly. Dropbox will now be able to access your phone contacts. This makes it much easier to send files directly to your friends, family, or colleagues without needing to enter their email addresses manually. That's it for this guide. You've just enabled Contact Sync in Dropbox, which helps simplify file sharing.